What's up, y'all? So today I'm doing a little bit of a behind the scenes BTS of my April 1st video, which is funny because I'm doing the April 1st video in conjunction with the BTS. So just know I'm kind of doing them all at the same time, but I want to kind of show you guys the BTS, which this video, the BTS video, is going to be shown after the April 1st video comes out. So yeah, so this video I'm actually doing, as you guys have already seen, I'm doing a April 1st joke of my car being from Knight Rider, right? So you guys know Knight Rider. Hopefully a lot of you guys, I don't know if my audience would know who Knight Rider is. You know what? If you know, you know what you just saw. It's Knight Rider. And I saw this online. I was thinking of different ways to like basically do an April Fool's thing, you know, because I usually try to do an April Fool's like spoof or joke or something every year, April Fool's, right? So I was like, what can I do? You know what I'm saying? That would involve my car. Last year I did the Mr. Rogers joint, which was pretty funny. Everybody loved that one. So this one I wanted to kind of keep a little more with the car itself. Like I wanted to do something with the car specifically. And I was like, you know what? Knight Rider, right? Or as you guys saw, G Rider. I had to put my little spin on it, which is funny. G Rider, G35. My last name starts with G. It works, right? And I saw this it's direct from the motherland. And it's basically it's a 50/50 high power remote color Knight Rider, which they spelt wrong. If you guys see it right there, they spelled that shit. Hold on, let me see if I can get it in. Get it in, man. KNIHGT Rider Lights. Look here. I just saw it, I bought it. It was $20 on Amazon. Don't shoot the messenger. That's them, that's their writing. So I'm actually gonna be installing this the day of the actual video. And it looks like this. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys everything. It looks like a whole big strip. And it comes with a little key fob, if you will. A little key fob that basically allows you to change into different modes, colors, and the whole 9 yards. I mean, all the modes and the colors that we're going to be using, we're not even going to take advantage of all of this. We're picking red, and we're having the Knight Rider mode, which I've already tested with my little volt tester that I have that I connect everything to just to see how lights work on my car. I got my little tester, which I've shown you guys before. This little thing, it has a little two black and live wire and ground wire, and that's how I got it to work. So now I got to figure out how to get it inside here. So now it does come with let me flip the camera. So it does come with all this, like this, this connection. It has 2 green wires and 1 yellow wire. The 1 yellow wire is for braking. The 2 green wires are for turn signals. We're not connecting any of that, right? We're just connecting the red and the black. And as you can see, I've used some wires already. I've already spliced them together. I've already connected, the little ports, the wire connector ports on the front. So you guys know that I already had it. I've done this already for like maybe 3 days ago. So I'm connecting this right here and taking this off because this is how it came. That's the little key fob thing. Now I got to figure out a way to get it in the front of the G. I don't know how this is going to fit through. I don't know if this is going to be able to slide through. I need to figure out a way to mount this or maybe tie strap it in somehow, some way. But yeah, I need to figure out a way. I really need to figure out a way. So yeah, let's do it. Let me try to open up the garage a little bit and kind of back the car up so I have a little more room to work with. and we go from there. Let's go. All right, guys, so I was able to pull off the Giala grill, and as you know, as you can see, it has like a bit of a curve, and the light strip, it's pretty rigid. You know what I'm saying? You can't really bend so much, but I was using that 15-pound Gorilla Tape, double-sided tape, and this shit is on here. Like, I kind of pulled it up I taped it on the edge to edge, and I just kind of pulled it up. I had 4 pieces of long tape, one right here, one right here, one right here, and then one right here. And I just kind of pulled up the front, stuck it, boom. And again, I'm not going for like super accuracy. I'm just kind of like trying to make it look as good as possible, so that you can get the effect of what I'm trying to convey. But yeah, I think that's gonna look cool. It again, these April Fools are really just to kind of look cheesy and corny and funny, and you know, I'm hoping I can translate this the best possible way through video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me go ahead and put this all back together. I'm gonna connect that red to the battery, and the black to one of the ground points in the car, and go from there. Or I'll probably just connect the to the battery, the positive and negative, which I never do. I always tell you guys I never really like to connect things to the battery like that. But the good thing about this is there's a cutoff switch with that key fob that I showed you guys. So you can actually cut it off and not pull any power from it when it's off. So, and then the minute I want you guys, this is a complete disclaimer. I want you guys to know I am not keeping this shit on. I'm almost afraid to drive out in the street just to be able to record this the way I'm going to record it, because this is highly like illegal. A lot of people with trucks have them, especially with the light, the Night Rider mode that goes like this. It damn near emulates, a police officer's lights. Again, I am not trying to do anything police officer. This is a recording. If anybody that watches this that is in law enforcement, this is simply for a video that's going to be probably a minute to maybe 2 minutes long. So please understand that. The minute I come back home, I am taking this shit the hell off. So don't worry about that. This is coming off. This is only for this video now. With that out the way, let me go ahead and connect all this back together, y'all. All right, guys, so I got the negative connected, positive connected. Again, you guys know from a lot of my older videos that how I feel about connecting things directly to the battery. I just don't want to have to kill the battery on some stupid stuff. And I just don't like, unless it's like it's a speaker setup and you got like relays to kind of help out with that, or some type of dampener or whatever. Other than that, nah, I don't connect anything to the battery. But for today, because I'm only gonna be out there for maybe a couple hours, we're gonna get this in. So I got it connecting. As you can see, that girl is on. You guys see it, it's connected. Now, where is that switch? Is it in my pocket? Where did I put the switch? I'll find it. But yeah, there it is right there. G-Rider is activated. And you guys, like I told you, I'm not gonna have these wires all hanging down. I'm gonna connect them up. I'm gonna tie strap them so that they're nice and put together. But I do wanna shut this off. So give me a second, y'all. And real quick, I wanna show you, since I got the key fob here, there's different modes, different colors I can put. You know what I mean? There's different ones. These are for this particular selection. B is for the color change. White, which I'm not mad at that white. You know, my whole color theme is black and white. I'm not mad at that, but I'm still not gonna keep this on, guys. So just don't flame me in the comments. I'm not gonna keep this on. Please just bear with me. All right, so I'm definitely keeping the red. Okay, there we go. D is off and on. There we go. So, and it's, you know what's funny? The box says what all these do, but the box is wrong about what all these do. I had to literally connect it to my little tester and play with the letters. Each letter has a different corresponding mode or something. And that's how I was able to get this to work. Because the box, yo, it's, again, I don't want to offend anybody. I don't know what kind of language it is. It could be, it's Asian. Let's just say that. I don't think it's Japan. I don't know if it's China, Korea, Vietnamese. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna just say it's Asian. And it's just nothing that it said correlated with anything that it said for the key fob that it comes with. But I am glad that it came with a key fob though, because I can actually, and it actually comes with an antenna too, like a whole thing right here. So yeah, that's it right there. So G-Rider is activated, y'all. Let's do it. All right, guys. So one of the things that I did for the video, for the G-Rider video, let's be correct about it. For the G-Rider video, is like one of the main staples of Knight Rider and Kit specifically is his dashboard thing that he talks. And I'm like, you guys don't know, I was actually trying to look up like a legitimate way maybe that my radio would have some type of theme that looks like, Kit's talking thing, which is so far-fetched to even be looking up. But I looked it up to see if maybe my radio could take it. Maybe there's some type of firmware I can, what I'm saying? So it can be legit, like it can look legit. Couldn't find it in time, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and print out a piece of paper with, Kit's dash stuff. And I just taped that shit. Look, it's taped right on the damn radio in my car, my double din. So this is what I did, y'all. Push it, mommy. Push it. All right, guys. I think it's pretty much done. I recorded a lot of the clips. As you'll see in the this whole BTS thing, you'll see a lot of the clips is like actual clips from the actual finished product. You know what I'm saying? I think it came out pretty good, given what I was needed. I wish I would have had a lot more scenes. I wish I would have been able to have less light, maybe did it around dusk. You know what I mean? I linked up with my mom to do it. Like, I met her at this little area so she could have helped me record. Only because, like, I could have got a lot of my homies to help me out with it and all that good stuff like that. But I kind of wanted this to be even a surprise for them. You know what I'm saying? And it kind of sucks when you're like by yourself recording stuff. You know what I'm saying? But I think I got a good amount of shots that I can possibly use. We'll see. This is the BTS, so whatever I recorded on the actual April 1st is what it is. You know what I mean? I still have maybe one more shot to do at another location, and I told my moms I wanted to have her in the video too, because, you know, family affair. So we're gonna probably head up one more location. I'm gonna do something, and then we're gonna have a recording, just a simple recording of her, and that's it. And it'll be the end of it. You know what I'm saying? I think it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna put together the video. Again, this BTS, so it'll be put together tonight, right, for April 1st. So that'll be the end of that. And I can't wait to take these damn these Night Rider lights off, because yeah, I'm kind of getting the looks like, you know what I'm saying? They kind of make you stick out a little bit like a sore thumb. You know what I mean? Because it's in the front of the car. I'm pretty sure I've gotten the looks already, like, you know what I'm saying? And of course, you got the nosy people that's like, you recording something and they're just like, what the hell is he doing? He's wearing this fucking leather jacket, red shirt, you know what I mean? And but yeah, either way. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the BTS of this footage. I hope you guys continue to come back to the channel. I do this kind of thing usually every April 1st. I usually have a little spoof video, something to kind of get you guys laughing, on the channel. And like I told you guys, I'm working on a movie or series. I already got the title. It's already drafted up in Photoshop, title of the actual movie or series. You guys will know. I'll drip feed that information to you guys as the time comes. As the time comes, and you guys will see, more or less, what it is that I'm working on with that. And yeah, that'll be the end of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hope you guys enjoyed the April Fool's joke video. And that's it, guys. We're gonna keep this thing going, man. I hope you guys can come back to the channel and check out some more of my content. Hope you guys can come back to the channel and see all the new stuff that I've got going on. Some new series of videos coming through as well that I've already kind of like plotted and wrote down. So anyway, as I always say, guys, stay positive, stay humble, stay grateful. Most importantly, stay driven. One.